you really want us to make a pumpkin seed sunflower seed flavor. I mean, first you guys cried for ranch and what you got. And then you wanted something sweet, so we made you maple brown sugar. And now it's cheeseburger, but it seems like you guys would rather have a pumpkin seed flavor. So starting today, we're just gonna give these away for free. Right now, when you get our 12-bag variety pack sale with ranch, OG original, maple brown sugar, lemon pepper, cracked pepper, backyard barbecue, 2 bags of cinnamon churro, dill pickle, garlic parmesan, cheddar jalapeno, and everyone's favorite sour cream and onion. We're gonna throw in 2 free bags of the newest cheeseburger flavor for today only. That's 12 bags plus 2 for free, and you get free shipping. So if you want to get this insane deal before it's gone, hurry and click the link right here before it's too late.